Have you ever laid in bed at night, windows slightly open to enjoy the summer breeze, and suddenly, bzzz, there it is, that tiny terror with wings. You swat, roll, flip your pillow, only for it to come back louder and closer. Sound familiar? Now imagine this. It's summer. The rains have just passed. The temperature is rising past 80 degrees, and suddenly, it's not just one mosquito. It's a swarm. And not just mosquitoes, flies, ants, and every uninvited guest from nature's insect kingdom. What do you do? Before we dive in, take a moment to tell us in the comments, where are you watching from, and what time is it where you are right now? We love seeing how far our natural home remedies community reaches. Also, if you're into practical, natural, and super easy tips to make your home healthier and pest-free, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. Now let me share a quick story. A few weeks ago, we had friends over for a backyard dinner. Beautiful evening, until the bugs showed up. Within minutes, it was chaos. Slapping arms, spraying toxic repellents, people running indoors. It was ridiculous. That night, we decided enough was enough. There had to be a better way. And we found it. After trying this simple homemade recipe, the difference was unbelievable. The mosquitoes? Gone. Flies? Disappeared. Ants? Not a single one in sight. We knew we had to share it with you. But first, let me ask you, what insects annoy you the most in your house? Let us know in the comments. Here's the thing. Most people immediately jump to harsh chemical sprays, but they can be dangerous, especially if you have pets or small kids around. But nature already gave us the tools to fight back, safely. Yes, mosquitoes are part of the ecosystem. They feed birds, bats, and fish. We're not here to wage a war on them. We're just saying, stay out of our kitchens, bedrooms, and gardens. Fair deal, right? So let's get into the good stuff. Here's what you'll need for this natural insect repellent spray. Tablespoons of cloves, 2 bay leaves, half cup of white vinegar, glass of water. Cloves contain a natural compound called eugenol. It's what gives them their strong smell and also their insect-repelling superpower. Mosquitoes and ants hate it. Bay leaves have a scent that repels insects and prevents them from reproducing. That's right. Not only does this spray chase them off, it helps stop the next generation from even starting. And white vinegar? Well, that's an old classic. The acidic smell is something most insects can't stand, especially when combined with cloves and bay leaf. So here's how you make it. Pour the glass of water into a pot. Add your cloves and bay leaves, bring it to a boil, then let it simmer for 10 minutes. Once done, let it cool completely. Strain the liquid, then add the 1/2 cup of white vinegar. Mix well and pour into a spray bottle. And that's it. You're ready. Now you might be wondering, where do I use this spray? Anywhere those bugs show up. Spray it around windows and doors. Wipe down your dining table. Spray your kitchen countertops. Use it near the dishwasher, sofa, and bedroom corners. Even mist it lightly on your porch furniture before guests arrive. The scent? Warm and spicy thanks to the cloves. It's pleasant to us, but to mosquitoes and ants, it's like setting up an invisible force field. And don't worry, the smell fades after a while, but the effect lingers. Still skeptical? Try this challenge. Spray one side of your room with this solution and leave the other untouched. Come back in an hour. The difference is crazy. Also, did I mention it's completely safe around kids and pets? No harsh chemicals, no overpowering artificial fragrances, just a clean, natural way to reclaim your space. Now, if you've ever felt defeated by the swarm of summer bugs, this is your moment. Reclaim your home. Try this recipe today and let us know in the comments how it worked for you. And if you've got your own natural insect-fighting tips, don't keep them to yourself. Share them in the comments so we can all benefit. Don't forget to hit like if you found this helpful. It lets YouTube know we're creating content that matters. And hey, make sure you're subscribed and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming video, where we'll show you how to make a non-toxic spray that kekeeps your plants pest-free. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.